Dear viewers, welcome to the CodeQuad channel. In this video I will talk about my new video series called Web Lectures. I know you are tired of long and inefficient tutorials. That's why I will convey everything you need to know to become a web developer in videos shorter than 5 minutes, complete and in the most understandable way. I'm trying to save your time because time equals money. By the way, this is not a normal tutorial series. Everything gonna be parallel with official documentations, and that means there's no bullshit. So everything gonna be instructive, informational, and systematic. One of the biggest advantages of these videos being less than 5 minutes is that those who are not new to this field and just want to quickly grasp some important informations can open and learn what they need in 5 minutes and get back to their work, since every topic is divided into separate videos. Besides these short videos, we will have practice videos in the 10-minute range. Now, if you want to learn exactly what web development is, subscribe, click the bell icon and give a thumbs up because you don't want to miss any of these golden lectures. The topics that we will cover in this series are network, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, tail and CSS, asynchronous JavaScript, Node.js, Express, MongoDB, Angular, PHP, and MySQL. And now let's continue with the second episode of this video series. What is web? Let's go.